Here is a very old electric panel made in USA. 100 amp, 120 volts to 240 volts. This house was built, I believe, in the 40s. So this could potentially go back that far. This here is 2 runs of cloth covered wire. It's kind of like the equivalent of today's Romex, versus BX. But that is the original cloth wire. That's probably brittle as can be, so I don't dare touch that. It's all fuses still, the old screw-in fuses. And it looks like these are retrofit breakers, which is kind of neat. So these in theory should be resettable circuit breakers and more like what we use today. Although it's kind of concerning that they're all 20 amps because these runs are not 20 amp runs in the house. They're 15 at most. Or 30 amp ones too. There's a big 30 amp fuse there. It's a 60 amp fuse. That's for the stove. No idea what that says. Sump. Washer. Plug. That's very insightful. I don't even see a sump in this house. Look at these old plugs. No grounding. Like some old phone wire maybe. I don't know what's running to the stove. I would have thought that would go to the stove, but maybe that orange cable is, I don't know. That looks like it's pretty heavy duty. That could be a stove. You can see where this wire comes out upstairs. I'll throw some pictures up at the end of the video now. There is an outlet that's exposed which has this cloth wire going in and out of it. I just saw these. I got a bunch of fuses here. Can still buy these. I still have a set of these in my house on a main cutoff. These retrofit ones are neat. It's 15. This probably is what should be in there, not 20.